So this time we are going to do something fun. We're going to do a cute unicorn. So you're going to get your sketchbook or your quarter-size sheet of paper. So like I said, I do not draw on a full-size sheet of paper. You can if you want to, but I use small sheets of paper while we're learning how to draw with lines and shapes. So the first thing we are going to do when we draw this unicorn, we're going to start on the left side of the paper a little bit. And I'm using a Sharpie so you can see my lines, but you use a pencil. Draw light so when you make mistakes the lines go away. So we're going to start about left side up top here, and we're going to make a curved line, and it's going to start curving a little bit this way, and it's going to start going down, and it's going to go in a little bit and back out like that. Okay? Draw light. If you make a mistake, you can erase. And pause the video if I go too fast. Okay, then I'm going to go back up and make a little curve like this, and then make a slanted straight line like that. Okay, then I'm going to make a curved line down here for the bottom of her mouth, like that. It's going to go a little past there, then it's going to dip and back up, just like that. Alright, right here for her nostril, I'm going to make a skinny oval shape. Okay, then her neck, right in the middle of this curve right here, I'm going to go like that. Alright, for her eyes, I'm going to draw a big letter O. Okay, then I'm going to draw a small circle inside. I'm going to do a second one. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little backwards moon shape like that, crescent shape. I'm going to color it in with my Sharpie. You can do that at the end of the video with your crayons because you're using a pencil, but I'm going to go ahead and color it in with a Sharpie. Okay, and you do that at the end of the video with your crayons or color pencils. Then I'm going to give her 3 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but you can. For her ear, I'm going to do an upside down letter V. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to give her her mane. I'm going to do some wavy lines. I'm going to go a circle like that and go back down and curve it back up. Now you can do these however curves you want. You don't have to follow my direction, but I'm going to start giving her mane some curved lines. So I'm going to swerve them like that. Then inside I'm going to do some more little line details. Okay, then the next one I am going to go up and stop. Okay, because now I have to do her horn, and we're trying to draw 3 dimensionals, so I'm going to do a little curve like that and stop. Then I'm going to make a long diagonal line going up like that. Then I'm going to go back down into her hair and stop. Okay, detail of her unicorn, the horn. Some smiley face lines like that. Just do 3 or 4 of them inside her horn. Okay, now this hair right here, I'm going to continue it to make sure it stops at the horn. Then I'm going to act like my pencil. I'm going to stop the pencil, pick it up, and I'm going to continue it on the other side of the horn. And I'm going to make another wavy hair. And then connect it and stop. Don't go across it. Okay. Inside that, I'm going to make a couple of little lines. Be creative. Doesn't have to be just like mine. Now she has the other ear, which is on the other side of her hair, right here. Smaller V, just like that. It's on the other side of the mane. Okay, now she has some hair on this side. What we're going to do, the back part of her neck, this line here, I'm going to stop it where the ear is, pick up my pencil, curve it back down like that. Okay, I'm going off the ends of my paper because I have a small sheet of paper. So if you have a big piece of paper, you don't go to the end. Curve like that. Don't go all the way. Then I'm going to pick up my pencil and go here, make another curve like that, and make sure this line connects the first one. Okay, pause the video if I'm going too fast. Okay, so this curve next, I'm going to do a third curve under it. I'm going to go up, make sure this one connects right here. Okay, then I'm running out of paper here, but I'm going to go down, and you just continue however long your neck is. And I'm going to make my hair, see on this side, it's going out, but it's out of my paper, but I'm going to make it go back in and do some wave curves like that. So I made mine curly like this. You don't have to. Go back out. So this is where you're creative again. Do some waves inside. Okay? And there's your unicorn. So, like I said, if you make a mistake, draw light, erase the lines, pause the video if I'm going too fast, get your crayons or your colored pencils and color whatever colors you want. Make sure that you blend and shade the colors, blend them together, makes it look good. Use whatever colors, vibrant colors that you want. Hopefully you had fun doing this how to draw video with a cute unicorn. Subscribe to my channel and we will be doing more videos every week.